Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what you have and why it matters. USB HID keyboards talk differently than MIDI devices, so you need a bridge. Install a virtual MIDI driver now and plug the keyboard into your computer. Allow device drivers to finish. Once done, open your MIDI routing tool and create a virtual port. This is the translator between keys and notes. Make sure the OS recognizes the port. Without it, software cannot receive input. This initial setup prevents wasted work later. Next, you map keyboard signals to MIDI messages so your keys become musical controllers. In your translator, capture a keystroke and assign it to a specific MIDI note number, or map it to a control change if you want knobs or toggles. Adjust velocity scaling and octave transpose so performance feels natural. This is why you tweak curves now, rather than later. Once mappings are defined, route the virtual port to your DAW or soft synth. Test several keys to verify correct note. To finish, you connect the virtual MIDI port to a soft synth and perform a live test. Record a short clip to confirm timing and responsiveness. If latency appears, lower buffer size or enable a CO on Windows. This is why driver settings matter. Make sure the DAW input is the virtual port and that channels match your mapping. If things go wrong, reboot the MIDI driver, try a different USB cable, or reassign ports. These quick fixes solve most connection and routing errors, so you can play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.